So the electronic ignition hasn't worked on the stove for some time now. I thought it was a simple battery replacement, but after replacing the battery and checking the wiring and making sure everything was good under the cooker, it still wasn't working. So time to go up top. One wire on this micro switch. I wonder why it's not working. For some reason, this multimeter pauses mid-continuity check. So these are the gas knob igniter switches. No bueno. Try cleaning that up and see what we get. I took some video here after switch cleaning, showing them working, but it's gone missing, of course. I'm manually grounding out the earth, something the switches would normally do. It works. So those are the burner ignition switches. And that's the oven and grill. Yay!